DAAD is a decentralized community token on the Smart Chain network. And the drive behind DAAD Token is to provide equal opportunities to affluent investors and ordinary people through the same platform. DAAD Token acts as a fantastic platform for people with less money and people interested in human rights protection and promotion. My goals and ambitions that led to the creation of DAAD Crypto mean a lot to me. Therefore, we have built an efficient and highly functional roadmap to help us achieve those goals in the best way possible. How to buy DAAD. Download and set up MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Step 1. Download MetaMask, a crypto wallet in form of a browser extension, or Trust Wallet, an app for your phone, and follow the registration process. Step 2. After that you will have to add the Binance Smart Chain to your network list. Step 3. Buy and send BNB, USTD to your MetaMask wallet to buy DAAD. Buy BNB or USTD on an exchange, for example Binance, Kraken, Coinbase etc. Transfer the tokens to your MetaMask wallet address. BEP20 addresses start with a 0x. Step 4. Head on to PancakeSwap and swap for DAAD. Here you need some BNBs in your wallet to pay exchange fee. Click here to head on over to PancakeSwap or use this address. To select DAAD, set the slippage tolerance to 10%. Sometimes it may be a bit more, depending on how much demand there is. Step 5. Swap BNB or USTD for DAAD and your buying process is done. Now you need to add DAAD to your MetaMask or Trust Wallet.